Good afternoon and welcome to Closing Bell. I'm Anuj. With me, of course, Prashant and Nigel. And this really is a market all about momentum. This is a market in which you're seeing big gains. We are all set for 18,000. Let's see if we can do it in the last 1 hour, or we have to wait for tomorrow's gap up, because these days it's all about gap ups, right? Big rally in IT stock for second day running, something we spoke about in the morning as well as a possibility. Reliance doing well, broader market doing well, the mid-cap index moving within almost 3% or less than that of a new all-time high. It's almost like a Goldilocks scenario playing out. We don't fall on the day the global markets are down, and we outperform on days when global markets are up. What else can you ask for, right, Prashant and Nigel?
I mean, don't know what to say, right? Just up and up and up and away. And, you know, Anuj, by the way, the highlight of the show, of course, is that Nigel is celebrating his birthday. And, you know, I must tell you, before we started the show, the program, Nigel was analyzing a company on Inside Out with the name Navneet Education. And I noticed a glint in his eye and a spring in his step. So, happy birthday from all of us, Nigel.
Thanks so much. Yeah. Thanks, Anuj. Thanks, Prashant.
Happy birthday, Nigel. Happy birthday, Nigel. I wish I was there. Happy birthday.
Thanks a lot.
I missed the cake. I missed the cake, Nigel. You know, you owe me one when I come back.
We'll do a couple of drinks as well, Anuj. You know, on the Navneet story, Anuj has tracked that story developing for many, many years. So, you know, that's lovely. But good day for the markets.
Yeah, absolutely. Good day, great day. And, you know, looking just, I mean, one way. There was initial hesitation, maybe you can call it that. But after that, no looking back. As we begin this edition of, you know, closing, maybe there is one more leg coming, but these have not lasted. You know, 20, 30 odd points here and there, and then the market comes right back with full vigor. So 17,947 is where we find ourselves at. Take a look at the sectors which are doing the best. It was IT in the morning. It is still very much the IT index. I mean, by way of sheer weight, it's contributing the most, 1.6 higher. Real estate is up 2%, the index itself. We had, I mean, the management of Prestige earlier in the morning with us talking to us how the cycle looks very, very solid, intact. And of course, small caps as a pack, 1 1/3% there. So some of the drivers which got this kicked off in the morning, still very much right there in the driver's seat. Nigel.
Well, we'll talk plenty of stocks in the next 60 minutes or so, and maybe 18,000 is on the cards for today. Let's see whether or not that happens in the next 60 minutes. First up, let's run you through what all we have lined up on the show for you. It's a good start on the week. The Nifty and the Sensex, both of them gaining close to around 0.5%. Consistent outperformance by the broader markets. Realty and IT stocks, they lead the charge. Why the big move in specialty stocks? Well, we'll get in. Rohan Gupta of Edelweiss Securities, he'll join in to give us his comment on the sector. And HAL and CAMS, they're gaining in trade after brokerages come out with bullish stance on the stocks. We'll get you further details on that. IDC's Sanjeev Puri tells CNBC-TV18 that inflation is a big risk going forward, adds that premiumization and down trading are happening at the same time, even as he is hopeful of recovery in the second half of the year. Excerpts from the exclusive chat we had. That's scheduled later on the show. And a detailed chat on markets, the way ahead for our markets. Alpha Manager of the Day, Anshul Sehgal of Kotak PMS will be joining in.